check the radar, the windshield and wipers. There should not be deep cuts or not worn out. Shock struts should not be bottom down. Then we check the antennas. They should not be damaged. On the 787 we have a chevron. It helps for noise reduction. Then we check the general condition of the engine. Today we're flying the RR engine. We check the blades, fan blades, the engine. Then we move to the wing tips. We have navigation and position lights. We check the starting discharges. Should not be missing. We have the fuel jets and nozzle here as well. Then we check the flap fairings and the general condition of the wing from here. We have a hydraulic line here, so there should not be leak from here. The shock strut should not be bottom down. We check the aft fuselage. And from the distance we check the horizontal stabilizer and vertical stabilizer. And the elevator, there should not be any damage to any part of the aircraft. Then we do the same thing on the left side of the aircraft, aft fuselage, general condition of the aft fuselage. And the exterior inspection is completed.
Hello everyone, welcome on board. Today we're flying the 787-900 from Addis Ababa to Douala via Malabo. The flight time to our first destination Malabo is 4 hours and 15 minutes and we'll be cruising at an altitude of 38,000 feet. Today I'm flying with my colleague, Senior First Officer Mahlet. She can introduce herself.
Hello, my name is Malet. I'll be flying with Captain Amsalev from Addis to Malabo as said. 777-787 pilot. Now we're going to start with our briefing.
She is a pilot flying for this leg.
From Saratu, we're expecting a pushback facing to the west to exit via Bravo 1 for the runway 07 right departure, which we planned. Runway 07 right, track is 072 set.
Yep, 950, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Ethiopian 923, requesting push and start clearance to do Malabo, flight level 380. On board 200, diagonal 14, Echo Tango Alpha, Uniform Quebec.
Go ahead.
You can start the boarding gate.
Starting number 1 and number 2.
Okay.
Start right.
Start right.
Go ahead. Start left.
Start left.
Set parking brake.
Parking brake set.
Okay.
Flaps fine.
Hello ground.
Right. Sorry.
We have 2 successful engine starts. You can disconnect the ground equipment and signal on the left. Welcome. Before taxi checklist.
Before tax checklist.
Go ahead.
ANIAS set to auto recall check. We have 4-door open, TCAS off on ICAS cancel.
Cancel.
Flight controls
Checked.
Ground equipment.
Clear left.
Right clear before tax checklist complete.
Approach Bravo 2. Japan 36, good morning. Standby break. Japan 923 at the center cruise to destination via flat route. And 923 behind the road traffic line up and 07 right behind.
Behind the rolling traffic, line up and wait, runway 07 right behind, equipment 923.
Japan 923, airborne radar 197, wind 10006 knots, 07 right, clear for takeoff. Welcome back.
Clear for takeoff 07 right, departure 1937, equipment 923, good morning.
You have control.
Japan 951 behind the road traffic line up and 07 right.
Go ahead.
Behind the road traffic line up and wait, runway 07 right behind Ethiopian 951.
Stabilized. Toga. Tower.
Trust straight.
Try 3.
Set. Positive rate.
Gear up.
Gear up. Chain nav engaged.
Check. Ethiopian 923, morning current charge, control climb 400, for left side.
Continue climb flight level 400, follow the line, Ethiopian 923.
Ethiopian 923, direct dash to.
Direct dash to Ethiopian 923.
This is Ethiopian 879, good morning.
879, good morning, identified.
Check.
Maintain heading, fly heading 165, fly heading 165, and standby for direct Mike Alpha Victor.
Left heading 165, standing by for direct Mike Alpha Victor, Ethiopian 879.
We have reached our cruising level of 400 or 40,000 feet, and I'll just give you a short briefing regarding our departure today. The departure runway was 07 right. We departed on 07 right, and we followed an SID called Bro 3 Alpha. That is our fix, which is the VOR, one of the stations, one of our local destination, Gambella VOR Bravo Romeo Oscar. So it's called Bro 3 Alpha departure. We followed the SID. We departed on our track 072, which is the 07 right track. On track about 10,500 feet, and we made a right turn and followed the SID through tracking to the west, more southwestish, all the way to Bro, and then followed our flight plan route, which followed westerly sector climb beam 400. And currently we are crossing, after we crossed Addis Ababa airspace or Ethiopian airspace, we joined Khartoum FIR. I would show you on the chart here. So basically this is our routing, Addis, and then we'll currently crossing Khartoum FIR, and then we'll go through Congo Brazzaville, the biggest state or region, and then to Malabo. Our nav Genesis runway 22, Malabo, Equatorial Guinea 12-2. Frequencies to be set in sequence. Final approach course is 224 degrees. Sarah,
here, 223 checked.
Check. Sierra Lima 503, mandatory 2,100 feet.
Checked.
On LNAV VNAV decision altitude 550 set.
Set.
Left runway 22, wind 270 degrees, 10 knots.
Clear to runway 22, Ethiopian 923.
Gear down, flaps 20.
Gear down. Flaps 20.
Check. Flaps 30.
Flaps 30. Flaps 30 set.
Landing checklist.
Landing checklist complete.
Landing checklist complete. Mr. Push 2,100 set.
Checked. Approaching minimum.
Continue.
Approaching minimums. Minimums.
Runway.
Landing. Check. Correcting.
50. 30. 20. 10.
Speed brake up.
Check.
Reversal normal.
Check.
80 knots.
Check. Disconnecting.
Go ahead.
Right side is clear.
Checked.
Cancel.
Parking brake set.
Check. AP is running.
Left fuel control switch cut off.
Roger.
Shut down.
Shut down.
Welcome to Malabo. It was a very nice flight. Now we're preparing ourselves for the next flight to Douala. It's a very short flight, so we're gonna finish our departure and approach preparation here. After landing, we'll give you more information at Douala. Left is clear.
Right side is clear. Malabo Ethiopian 923, ready to copy.
923, clearance Malabo to Douala, level 90, whenever on runway 22, right hand, scope 5022. Ethiopian 923, Malabo, clear takeoff, runway 22, wind 260 degrees, 13 knot, right hand.
Clear for takeoff, runway 22, departure, right turn on course, Ethiopian 923.
Roger. Rolling.
Go ahead.
Stabilized.
Trust ref.
Checked.
E1.
Rotate. Positive rate.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Heading select.
Heading select. Trust rep. Enough speed.
Checked.
Right turn on course.
Roger. 1000 feet clear right.
Affirm. Right side is clear.
Direct Delta Lima Alpha.
Roger. Execute.
LNAV.
Check. LNAV is engaged.
Check. Flaps 1.
Flaps 1. 4 Ireland Zulu, runway 30, guide the weather. Clear from by.
Localizer Delta Lima 110.3.
1103.
Final approach course 298.
Check. Land 3 flare, rollout armed.
Checked. Runway in sight.
Runway in sight.
$1,000 stabilized.
Stabilized.
Approaching minimums.
Continuing.
Check.
Minimums.
Runway.
Landing.
Roger.
200. $100. 50. 30. 20. 10.
Speed break up.
Checked.
Reverse normal.
Checked. Okay, welcome to Douala. Our flight was from Malabo to Douala. It was a very short flight. After departure Malabo, we make immediate right turn and maintain a easterly track to join left downwind Douala. Then the approach for Douala was Aile Zulu runway 30. During our approach, as well as there was low ceiling clouds during the approach, and it was a little bit bumpy during the short final and on the landing as well. And we cruised for about 8 minutes. Welcome to Douala.
Airport Douala, Foxtrot Kilo Kilo Delta, DLA, runway 30. Intersection, no intersection condition is dry, wind 0, outside temperature is 34, QNH 1008, rating optimum, assumed temperature is max, flaps optimum, ANAS engine auto, improved climb optimum, CG is 20. Takeoff weight 171696.
Check.
Good afternoon again, Ethiopian 913 requesting startup clearance to Yaoundé flight level 210. On board is 255 passengers, 15 crew. Endurance 2 hours and 15 minutes. Review.
Go ahead.
Clear destination Yaoundé via Ideba. Ideba clearance limit level 210. After departure runway 30, right turn on course.
Roger.
Cabin is ready.
Check. Before takeoff checklist.
Before takeoff checklist complete.
Checklist complete.
Roger. Advice cabin.
Advice cabin.
Cabin advised.
Roger. Ready for departure.
Ethiopian 913 is ready for departure.
Ethiopian 913 Tauka for takeoff runway 30 wind, 240 degrees, 05 knots.
Clear for takeoff runway 30, Ethiopian 913. Right side is clear.
Roger. Lights on.
All lights on.
Rotate. Positive rate.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Check. $1,000 right turn on course.
Roger. Direct Ideba.
Roger.
Execute.
Execute.
LNAV is available.
Roger. LNAV.
LNAV engaged.
Check.
1209, Qatar radar on 1.5 for spacing. Good day.
12905, Ethiopian 913. Good day to you.
Transitional standard.
Standard set.
Radar Ethiopian 913. Good morning.
Speed VNAV pass.
Check.
Douala, Rwanda,
Top of DC. 2 minutes.
good afternoon.
Proceed direct Ilbas, report Ilbas. Ethiopian 913, good afternoon. We are clear to descend flight level 150 by Douala.
Roger, reply 080, stand by.
Recall checked. Notes checked. Auto brakes reset. Landing data. VRF and minimums.
VRF 30, 142 bar minimums 2606 set.
VRF 30, 142 baro 2606. Approach briefing.
Completed.
Descent checklist complete.
Thank you.
Descent 5800 QNH 1012. Contact tower 119 decimal mobile.
Descent 5850, QNH 1012.
Flaps 15.
Flaps 15.
Thank you.
Ethiopian 913, last wind 010 degrees, 10 knots, clear to land runway 19.
Clear to land runway 19er, Ethiopian 913.
01010 knots.
Okay.
Minimums.
Runway.
Landing.
100. 50. 30, 20, 10.
Ladies and gents, welcome to Yaoundé. We just arrived a few minutes ago. Now we're going to be preparing for our departure to Addis. Thank you.
We are at stand number Echo 1. We expect pushback facing north to exit via Sarah. To holding point runway 01.
Check.
And runway 01, runway heading 010. Set. Runway length is 11,161 feet. Ready for departure.
Ethiopian 913, ready for departure.
913, clear for takeoff, runway 01, wind 060 degrees to north.
Runway 01, rolling.
Check.
Stabilized.
Trust ref.
Checked.
E1.
Rotate. Positive rate.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Clear right.
The right side is clear.
Direct archive.
Direct archive. Execute.
Execute. LNAV.
LNAV engaged.
Flaps 1.
Flaps 1.
Flaps up.
Flaps up. Radar Ethiopian 913, good afternoon. Crossing 070 for level 410 to RCAPE, estimate RCAPE 1403.
Ethiopian 913 Simalen approach, going for a clear destination, Addis Ababa, the RCAPE limit. Climb initially level 350. Report 30 miles outbound November limit.
Clear it to Addis by RCAPE. RCAPE is clear as limit. Initially climb flight level 350 and next report 30 miles November Lima Yankee, Ethiopian 913.
350, set.
Check.
Hi everyone, this flight is from Yaoundé to Addis Ababa. We were at stand number Echo 1 at Yaoundé. It was a very short taxiway from to the takeoff runway 01. Wind was calm, weather was good. It was a little bit hazy, except that weather was good. After we departed runway 01, we make a right turn and initially we climbed. Initial clearance was flight level 350 and now we're at flight level 410. It has been 2 hours and 10 minutes since we depart Yaoundé. We expect to be on ground at Addis Ababa after 1 hour and 20 minutes. En route weather as well as forecast Addis Ababa weather is good.
Addis Ethiopian 913.
Ethiopian 913 Addis, good evening.
Good evening, Ethiopian 913, maintain level 410, squawk is 5027, Mach decimal 84.
Ethiopian 913 Addis, copy.
Fly direct, Awash, for Arnav Denisa Pro 07 right, 3447.
Direct hours 40, Arnav approach runway 07 right, will call for descent, Ethiopian 913. Roger. At the center, Ethiopian 913 requesting descent.
Ethiopian 913 at east, descent level 250.
Descent level 250, Ethiopian 913.
250 seat.
Check.
Seatbelt sign on.
Seatbelt sign on.
Ethiopian 1319 right, please. Ethiopian 913, good evening, arrange flight, flight level 190. Fly direct Awash, Arnav approach 07 right.
Descent level 190, direct hours 40, Arnav approach runway 07 right, Ethiopian 913.
190 seat.
Check.
Gear down.
Gear down.
Flaps 20.
Flaps 20.
Right firm. Speed 157 knots. Speed brake armed. Advice cabin.
Checked.
Empty flaps 25.
Flaps 25.
Speed 151
Check.
Japan 864, ground 119, good night.
119, Japan 864, comes.
Flaps 30.
Flaps 30.
List approach altitude 14,500.
Check.
Landing checklist.
Landing checklist complete.
Checklist complete.
November.
016 knot, runway 07 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 07 right, Ethiopian 913.
Disconnect.
Japan 808, ground 119,
Flight
good night.
direct.
$1,000 stabilized.
Stabilized.
Approaching minimums.
Continuing.
Roger.
Minimums.
Runway.
Landing.
Right.
Checked.
Roger.
100. 50. 30. 20. 10.
Speed brake up.
Check.
Reverse normal.
Check.
Flight plan route, climb dengan level 350, plus 550 north, 57.
We have completed our flight after 2 days of beautiful flight. We're back to our home base, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, and we enjoy having you on board with us, traveling all the way. And I hope you join us once more on our next flight. Thank you very much.